see you. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, nice and bright and red. You tell me.
Yes, I'm doing well too. And एक मुझे बात बताओ, आप बुक्स इतनी जल्दी कैसे लिख लेते हो यार? मेरे को तो राइटर्स बोल्डर्स हो जाते हैं.
I am very Vela, you see.
आप बिल्कुल वेले नहीं हो. Now you're being just very humble about it. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. वेले नहीं हो आप. But it's amazing how quickly you write, यार. I mean, is it that one of वो brain नहीं होता जो is constantly thinking क्या लिखना है and gets up in the middle of the night कि ये point लिखूं. Does it work like that for you?
Yeah, for me, I don't take to the notepad immediately if an idea strikes or something. I take
हाँ.
my time.
Hmm.
I let that idea sort of bloom within me, within inside of me. It sort of flourishes and it starts taking its own shape and form. And then the day this process could go on for weeks, days, even months. And the
Yeah.
day it starts irritating me is when I take to my laptop and then fat 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 ये सब कुछ हो जाता है. So it's immediately it just comes out of me. And then I like to have very long sessions. Like I'm not a very disciplined writer that I will not write for 12 months in a year. And I
Hmm.
know there are people who say you should take to writing, you should write a few words or a few lines every day just to be in the game. But I haven't come to that as yet. I mean to say,
जी.
what I do is when I have something that I really need to write about, then I just take up a corner of my house. And then बस फिर उसके बाद 6 7 8 10 घंटे in a day it just goes into writing, and the process then continues till the time the project is not complete. So it's that. And then I actually managed to complete this because there was a big deadline. I had to start working on my feature film, so I really wanted to finish this before I get into that. So yeah, kar liya.
Awesome. Awesome. So it's a second book after 12 Commandments of Being a Woman and now Seven Sins, of a mom. It's just amazing. We've put in the last 18 months. So what brought this on? Because I know I've been speaking to a lot of moms that guilt is real. It may all look like pretty Instagram pictures, but no one knows what happens behind a mom, what's going on in her head.
Yeah, I mean to say, as I speak to you, I'm just thinking, oh, should in the next 15 minutes I should quickly play a game of Monopoly with my kids because I had promised them. So mind is always sort of working. But the only difference is that now I don't let it get the better of me. The guilt is there, but there is also an awareness that I need to work towards that guilt. क्यों I guilt में किसका pressure ले रही हूँ? मतलब who is here to judge me? And even if they're judging me, what difference does it make to my life? And there's always an intention with which I take up things, whether I'm writing. I mean to say this book might sound very blasphemous. It could be funny in parts, and but if you peel through the layers, there is something that I'm trying to address. There's an issue that I'm trying to address. But my way of writing or making things, or my art is, I say it in the most subliminal way, layered with a lot of humor. आपने पढ़ी है किताब?
मैंने तो आपके 4 चैप्टर पढ़े हैं. तो मैंने सेक्स, गिल्ट, infidelity and tyranny पढ़ा है. And I'll start with the first one where you've spoken about when you had your baby. And it's true, many people judge those who don't want to have a baby. बच्चा नहीं किया. Those who have a baby, बच्चा कर लिया, ऐसे पालो. And you've spoken like quick coffee with your friends. Somebody's checking you out, but hey, and your honeymoon that's gone all wrong, gone all wrong, not like the way you imagined it. So I'm sure, that some personal stories you have actually brought out in the public domain. And what must have been going on in your head? And when you were writing, was it cathartic then?
It was cathartic. I was amused by my own self, and I was also laughing along writing. And then I usually try to have a very unfiltered version of myself. I don't, I'm sure the number of chapters you've read, this is not a censored version at all. अगर censored होता तो काफी चीजें निकल चुकी होती.
I know.
It's quite out there. But that's me, like most part of my life, I've led a pretentious life, and I don't want to live that life anymore with their layers and layers of garb. This is who I am, this is what I feel, and this is what I want to write about. And the number of chapters that you've read, and that's how the tone continues for the rest of them, you would have realized that it's not a parenting book for, like, there's no tips and there are no guidelines. It's not how to get pregnant or how to have the perfect child. And it's anything but that, actually. Like, I'm the last person on this earth who can give some advice to anyone, because all that I've done is blunders in my life. And this book is just taking ownership of those blunders, and also perhaps many women will be able to resonate with it. And it's just not for mothers. I think it's for everybody to read and be aware that none of us are stereotypes of each other, you know.
Absolutely.
So it's about cherishing the individuality. So yeah.
So totally. And when you've written that you forgot to pick up your baby, apparently my nanny did that. She had so many kids. She actually left one with the sabzi wala, and then somebody kudi chhod di. So she was like, "Ha, aa jao."
Oh
Literally,
gosh.
because mom, this
So
happened way
cute.
back. I'm talking about the 40s.
We talk
So
about the
agar,
40s, and she had many kids. I had one child and I forgot that also. But you know, there's a difference. So we are laughing about it. It is funny, you know, who does that. But I'm just saying that had it been a guy who would have forgotten the baby, the people in the lift who were standing beside me, judging me, and made me feel so miserable about myself, including the waiter, the way he said, you know, Madam, aap bhool gaye ho apna bacha, you know. So had it been a guy, everybody would have laughed about it. Oh,
I
poor
know.
thing, must be overworked or whatever. There's so much of sympathy. And but when it comes to women, even women judge women for doing things like that. You know, I just,
I totally.
even like I said, it's funny, but there is something that I'm trying to say with every funny, blasphemous, or quirky incident. I'm trying to say something.
It's funny that you say it, women. I actually feel sometimes women are single shamed, body shamed, whatever, baby shamed by women more than anyone else, if you notice. Whether the auntie ji is nukkad ki auntie ji, gali ki auntie ji, or somebody at work will make that snide comment. And I think it's important to address these issues.
Absolutely. In fact, just 2 days back, I haven't spoken about this, but I was gymming. Tried to start gymming again after a very long time. And I was working out, and there is this my neighbor who comes to me and says, you know, that we have kept some puja in some hall. And I was like, great, ma'am, it's amazing that you've done it. She's like, no, but all of us should have such religious feelings, na? I didn't know what she was hinting at. And then she really made it a point to tell me that you should be more religious and you should be coming and setting a precedent for the rest of the society people. And I was just like taken aback. So you're right. I don't know whether it's men or women, but perhaps women themselves have been, everybody is a subject of their circumstances. And she must have faced so much.
I agree.
I just feel, instead of judging them back, let's just approach them with a lot of empathy, because they're a subject of their circumstances too. And how many harsh comments she must have faced to actually become this rigid in life. So I feel the
Absolutely.
more we talk about it with a lot of fun, humor, empathy, maybe we'll be able to make a difference. Yeah.
Absolutely. And you know what? Another thing where you named the chapter infidelity. So I'm sure people would be curious. Who cheated? Who? What
I
kind
know.
of, but it's, the way it is, it's like हमारे आज का clickbait headlines नहीं होते. Click करो क्या निकलने वाला है. But I like the way you've dealt with it. I know raging hormones. A mom is, her body is all over the place. But what I really like about the way you have dragged the boy in, who's been like, why do you want to call up the crash? I mean, really, was it all that so cool? Because agar
Yeah.
aur koi hota, would have been like, how dare you?
The fact that I've written so much about everything in our life in this book goes on to show that he is cool about things, right? So this is one thing that we have it at home, that we let each other fly and flourish and be our own individual truest self. Like, we don't impose
True.
our thoughts. And what can I do when more than half of my life, I met him when I was 18, and more than half of my life I've been with him. So a lot of incidents and everything is having him in my life now. I can't help that now. It so happens that he is a popular person and who happens to be
True.
an actor, but I am talking from the perspective of a woman who's gone through this and
True.
this and this, and I'm just talking about a partner that I had. So yeah, that was it. What was your question? But before that,
But infidelity, the way you named it,
infidelity.
but it's really nice. A woman, I really want to feel attractive. I want to get in touch with the guy who was
Yeah,
like the
I
cool
mean to say,
dude. But
yeah.
I like the attitude of the husband, like, why? Agar aur koi hota na, typical male, how dare you?
Yeah, I know, but I think that was a very mature way of dealing on his part.
Yeah.
Uh, and as luck would have it, I was trying to stalk this ex crush, like the guy who really was interested in me, pursued me for the longest time, and I enjoyed every bit of the attention. It was
So
not
cute.
something that he was imposing. I loved every bit of it. Otherwise, I would have called him out. But I just did not give in. I was just poo. Like I said in that film, I was just like, who's next and everything. And then suddenly now I just in between my pregnancy, I feel that I need all the love, attention, and there's a big void in my life, and I'm not feeling attractive enough, so I need to get back to this person. And as luck would have it, and has always been in my favor, that number only was with my husband, because apparently this guy had no socials. Like, who, what a freak, man. I was like, who doesn't have socials? कौन इंस्टाग्राम पे नहीं है और कौन ट्विटर पे नहीं है और कौन फेसबुक पे नहीं होता है यार. And so I tried each and everything, but it just so happened that he was a part of a boys group of which my husband was a part of. Remember, we
Okay.
guys were together in high school, so they were common friends. So I was like, oh shit, man, kya karo, how to do it? And then I just was left with no other option but just to directly go on to him and poke him and say, I want this boy's number, and he knows history. And then what happens
So
next is something for you to read in the book. But yeah.
So, yeah, so cool. I've read that. Let the people read that. But Tahira, what I really admire about you is someone who's carved her own individuality and space in the kind of world that you are part of. How easy or tough it is.
It's as easy or tough as you make it to be. I came across these beautiful lines and I'm trying to emulate them. It says, take your work seriously, but don't take yourself seriously. So I've stopped taking myself too seriously. Oh, I'm this important, or oh, I'm not important. I'm too significant. I'm not insignificant. What is this person going to say about me? I don't want to take those pressures. I've taken enough and more pressures before, and I just don't want to go through that route. So if there are people who are going to judge me, well, I still have empathy for you, because I just feel that you might have been judged, which is why you're judging me. And the people who are sort of cherishing this part of my personality, I would just like to say a heartfelt thank you to them. Mhm.
Awesome. And I want to know which one of the family members have read the book and
None.
what was the reaction?
तो इस बारी I don't think दिवाली पे कोई मुझे बुला रहा है. I was very honestly speaking, I was very unfiltered about this book, but I was very anxious. I still am. I'll be lying if I say I'm all cool. मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अरे दुनिया का नहीं फर्क पड़ता है, पर अपने लोगों को तो फर्क पड़ता है. These are actual people that I'm going to live with. So
Wow.
this is the first time I've not sent any book to any of my family members. My sister-in-law downloaded a Kindle version and she messaged me, from the Bangkok chapter. There is a protein shake chapter. I'm not going to dwell too much
Protein
into
shake, yes,
it,
I read about
but
that, and
yeah.
the aircraft miles
Yeah,
chapter
so
also.
she zoomed in and she marked it and she sent it to me. Did this really happen, Bhabhi? I was like, oh no, I don't want my family members to visualize and have visuals of. I was like, okay, I'm not meeting you for the next 1 year. And no, my parents haven't. None of my family, at least I haven't shared the book with them. And now I don't know if they've ordered and they've been cool or oblivious. I don't know what is happening right now. But I'm very scared about Diwali this time. 120%. I think they'll
Has
abandon
the boy, and also has the boy read it? No, because 50 Shades of the Boy.
Actually, man, 50 Shades of Our Lives only. So no, of course, as of course, as partners, as companions, and as people who have a big congruent area when it comes to our work and our choices. He makes, like I spoke to you before, we go through each other's scripts and something that we've written.
Nice.
So I made sure, because it's only fair. He's a big portion part of it, and it's only fair to let him know that this is what I'm writing. But it was never with the intention of taking permission. It was with the intention of you got to know what you got to know. Now you give me, like constructive criticism in terms of flow, of grammar, of chapter, of plots, of all of that. But don't tell me, that this is something that you can't write or not. And which he did not. Which, like I said, we let each other grow. So
Absolutely.
this is something from, these are chapters from my life, and it's incidental that my parents, my Chotu Masi. It's not that I'm just harping on one person. Chotu Masi was there in my last chapters too, in my last book too. She's there in this book. My parents were there in my last book too. And these are the constant figures in my life now. I can't help it, right? So, yeah.
Quite a comedy of errors. And मुझे बताना वैसे दिवाली पे किसका मैसेज आ रहा है, क्या कॉल आ रहा है?
काला जाएगा, निकाल सबने अबैंडन कर देना है, घर बंद कर देना है 120%. My father though is going to lose his plot 120%. I don't know how I'm going to face him. I'm very honestly telling you, I don't think he's going to speak to me.
But anyway, so 12 commandments पढ़ ली, ये पढ़ लेंगे. अभी what is coming next, ये मुझे बताओ.
भाई साहब हाथ जोड़ लिए मैंने. अभी के लिए तो यार, there is a lot which is happening in terms of books and also films. So now I really want to after delivering my film, I just want to take a small little break where I want to consume art. I just want to consume and not just every time just produce. I just want to consume. So there's nothing that I plan. I really want to cherish art.
Wow. So how's the film going? I mean, what can you tell us about that?
The only thing I can tell you is that I've finished shooting. It's called Sharma Ji Ki Beti, finally, after so many years. But more about that when we speak about the film. But all I can say is it's in the post-production phase, and I'm done with the shooting of it.
And for someone who empowers women through her own stories, and it's really great, Tahira. What I like about you is someone who's laughing at herself and saying things out. That takes a lot. It's a strength of character. We are not getting preachy here. I'm saying I have done it, and it's also an easy way. Otherwise, it gets tedious. कि आप एक वो बन जाते हैं ideal आदर्शवादी person. But here you've said I'm none of those.
Yeah.
What is it that you want to do going forward? What is a message you want to give out to women? Because as I said, I've come across women, young mothers who are going through exactly what you are. आप तो कह रहे हो 10 साल पहले, वो अभी भी हो रहा है और वही चलता रहेगा. What is that one message you want to give out? Whether it's women, single women, married women, mothers, whatever.
I want to give this message out to everyone, even though the title of the book is The Seven Sins of Being a Mother. But as much as you've read, I think it's for everybody to read and to learn and to know about women and about human beings as such. By the end of it, of course, there are genders which are assigned to us at times, and there are genders that we sort of relate to. But by the end of it, all of us are human beings first. And so the emotions and the complexities and the problems are going to be with everybody. So I want to tell stories which are about women, which are very less seldomly told in a manner which is not very sanitized by our patriarchal society. There's a certain way a woman should be portrayed, and there is an even more fixed and a certain way how a mother should be portrayed.
Yep.
But beyond that portrayal, how is she feeling? Does she even feel any of that? So I think I have a lot of stories to tell about human beings, and somehow I have a very special place in my heart for women or those who identify as one. So I think I shall continue telling stories, and whether it's through short films or feature films or books or podcasts. And if there's nothing available, then through my Instagram, like I did with the lockdown tales, तो मैं किसी ना किसी तरीके से अपनी कहानियां बताती रहूंगी.
Awesome.
Yeah, so that's what it is.
And Instagram is a treat anyways, because it's empowering, inspiring, and also many awe moments also happen. आपका Marilyn Monroe post भी मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा था.
देखा फिर. मैंने मॉडल्स के बिकनी की लाइन लगा दो सब वो छूट ना जाए.
Totally. More power to you. Lovely chatting with you. On that note, happy Diwali.
Thank you.
And एक बात बताओ, अपनी किताब में से पहली किताब अपनी बेटी को कौन सी वाली प्रेजेंट करोगे आप, so that she reads about her mom and the colorful life that her parents have led?
I would love, of course, I'm waiting for the day, and I really would love for my kids to read the books. But the day they do, which might be in their teens, they shall disown me. Like, I'm talking about such embarrassing stuff. Imagine their friends. I think I don't know what their reaction is going to be. Either there's too much of acceptance, oh, our mother and all of that, or it's going to be, were you crazy, woman? And why do I feel it's going to be the latter? But let's see what happens.
You know, you could actually make it a movie, adapt your books into a movie. It'll be very interesting storytelling.
Wow,
क्या
that's
कहते हो?
an amazing idea. Let's see where this goes. But yeah, never say never.
Exactly. More power to you. Lovely chatting with you. All the very best.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Take care.